Here's what's going on. We are looking at numbers this morning that are into the 30s, going to the 40s this afternoon. So we got a mild day, almost near 50 degrees as you get down towards central New Jersey. But we're going to start to see some Arctic air filter into the region. In fact, that's going to drop our temperatures tonight down into the 20s for everybody. So we're going to get right back into some harsh air as there is a Arctic frontal boundary off to the west of us. So it's separating some really tremendous cold that'll set up for Saturday. Now, the cold's in play first, and we need that. Check. And here comes the storm, getting a lot of Pacific juice. It's going to get a lot of Gulf moisture, and that's going to head our way by Sunday morning into the afternoon and overnights. Winter storm watch is already being posted south and west of the city. Give it a little more time for New York City and Long Island. It's more of a paperwork timing situation, but everybody's going to be under a watch as we move into the evening newscast tonight. Here's the timeline on this storm. We just had a lot of questions about, okay, what time is this going to start? Around 9, 10 o'clock in the morning, central and south Jersey. I think it's comfortably into the city around 11 o'clock, and then we're going to snow heavy right towards the evening. And by that point, we'll start to mix in with a little sleet, even freezing rain across the Garden State Parkway south into coastal Ocean County. So just take notice, this is a very cold storm, but there's going to be enough warming aloft to produce some mixing, and that's why we're going to keep the totals down a little bit on the south-facing shore of Long Island down the Jersey Shore, and then this thing wraps up by Monday morning, and it is long gone. This is the battle zone, 4 to 6 inches. We might actually up this as we look at some new information, but I think the further north you go, the confidence level a little bit higher, so 6 to 10 inches down the turnpike into the city, into southern Westchester, southern Fairfield County, and then north of that line, north of the Tappan Zee Bridge in 287, this is a rip-roaring snowstorm, 10 to 15 inches into the Hudson Valley. PIX 11 snow max is going to be at 15 in places like Port Jervis, Tuxedo, this area. This is going to be the area that could get the highest snowfall accumulation. We'll talk more about the storm in detail and your 7-day coming up at 9:30. We'll send it back to you.